Hello again, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Well, summer is just around the corner. It's time to start thinking about adding some shade to your backyard. So if you're doing a remodel this spring or summer, we're going to talk about different ideas for shade structures and kind of cover the basics in 5 different categories. So let's get started. So first up, we're going to look at some solid top wood structures. Now these are both custom structures and kits. So let's start with a kit first. So this is the Yardacy shade structure. You've seen this in a few of my other videos. This is a popular one sold by Yardacy.com, also sold through Costco, and they come in a wide range of sizes. The ones you see here are the 12 by 16s from Costco. And the nice thing about these is that they're pretty affordable. They're about $2,000, although sometimes Costco has them on sale for even less. And they are actually a solid top. They're wood sides, but then they have the metal on top, so you actually get a solid top. They also come with a nice variety of accessories, from these curtains to the screens to little side counters, and they do come in different sizes. Now Costco only sells the first one you saw in this video, but Yardacy.com, and the link is in the comment section, does sell different configurations of it as well. So you have a nice wide range of choices. There's also different kinds of kits that you can find in different places. For example, this is Lowe's, and they have one that is very similar to the RC. Now let's look at some custom ones. So custom ones are going to be a little more expensive. The ones you see here are solid top custom ones, and they can range anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 because they're custom built and they're really more suited to your individual backyard. But that's one of the advantages, is that they are suited to your backyard. If you have a Spanish style home like this one, you have Spanish roofing on it. So it kind of really is fitting in what you have in your backyard. And again, they're custom built. You could have them both attached to your house like you see there, or you can have them freestanding. So now let's talk about the other kind of wood shade structures. These are solid. These are the open top ones. Now what I mean by open top is that they have an open configuration in the ceiling stringer layout. So typically you'll have one like this one, which is about 50% opening. So it does let some air in, but it still gives you some shade protection as well. There are kits that do this as well. For example, this is a Toja grid kit, and again, the link is in the comment section, and all you do is buy the wood, and this comes with the directions and the fixtures, and it comes in a wide range of configurations. It is an open top one, so it's a little more affordable, but it doesn't block the sun completely. It blocks it most of the time, but it doesn't block rain. But again, this is an open configuration, but you still get some pretty good shade. You can see here there's quite a bit of shade on that jacuzzi. Another nice thing about wood shade structures, and this is a custom one obviously, is that you can also match it with some side panelings for some privacy, like we did around that jacuzzi as well. So this is what's called an open top, or 50%. Now one that is kind of in the same category that we did recently, this is a bamboo top. So this one was rigged so that they can replace the bamboo every 5 years. It just slides in a groove. I consider this an open top one because the rain can get through it. So again, you can attach them to the house, have freestanding. You can also put a little bit of fabric on the underside to really give you some good shade. And of course, one of the cool things about the structures is that you can rig lights to them. Now let's talk about the third kind of shade structure, what I call the fabric top series. So fabric top ones can be something very simple, like these shade sails. All you need is a couple of posts, and you can rig those little shade sails to them. Change out the sails about every 5 years, depending on the quality of it. You can also do retractable ones. This is a wood structure, and technically an open top wood structure, but you can have some fabric that slides on those little grommets and wires and opens up really nicely to let the stars peek in. You can see the sky. Another one that I consider a fabric type structure are these big cantilever umbrellas. Here's a really nice one over at Costco this year. Actually comes with the solar lights, and it's kind of a cool little configuration, and that's how much it costs. So these nice cantilever ones are very affordable. You know, they're going to run in the $300 to $600 range. Some of the other fabric top kits, this one's one from Home Depot, that's going to be a little more expensive, about $1,500, but still, you get some good shade on your patio. All right, fourth on our list are what I call the open top synthetic structures. So the big advantage of synthetic structures is that you have no maintenance. These really should last you a good 20 years. The most common color is white, but as you can see here, they do come in different colors now. This is a synthetic shade structure. And so this is what I call open top. There's slats. The sun will come in, but you'll still get some good shade. As you can see on these patios, they are getting some good shade. Height of summertime, still some nice shade. You can rig fans and rig lights to them. And again, what's nice about them is that there's no maintenance. Now, they are a little more expensive than wood. These ones that you're seeing right here are running in the range of $3,000 to $5,000 for these simple rectangular ones. The one with the peaked roof is a little bit more, but they are really great for giving you some shade, but still having some letting some airflow through. All right, last on our list, the fifth of the 5 types is what I call the solid top synthetic shade structures. And these two come in both kits or custom. Patio Tech and Tritech are 2 companies that sell kits. And again, those links are in the video description. And that's kind of what you're looking at here. Those 2 companies furnish a lot of kits. You can pre-order a specific size. They come delivered with instructions on how to assemble them. The nice thing about solid top, obviously, is you have both a weatherproof situation where you have a patio that's not ever going to get wet, but you also have some long-lasting durability, structures that should last you 20 years. So a lot of really good value from it. You are going to pay more. These are going to run in the 10 to 20,000 for these kits, plus the labor to assemble them. But in the long run, you have a lot less maintenance to worry about there. So I hope you enjoyed all these little looks at different types of shade structures. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.